how the dedication of entrepreneur mothers are. I remember that before, when I was still younger, my mom always had to juggle the ones that she has to do for her business and raising both me and my sister up. So she always tried to make sure as soon as we wake up, we have food on the table, everything is prepared and that. And then the next, after, bigyan natin ng halaga ang mga walang katumbas na pag-ibig na binigay sa atin ng ating mga nanay, right? Kasama pa rin sila hanggang ngayon. Count each day, celebrate each moment. When will be the last? Yakapin mo, halikan mo, kahit tumatakbo na sila. Okay na yun, sapat na. You have to take that risk to be independent, to be your own boss, to manage your time, manage everything by yourself. So independence is the real key. Because set your mind to it na kailangan ko talaga. This is what I want for me. What actually makes you different from other entrepreneurs out there, right? For example, ang trending natin ngayon is Pares, right? Always about Pares. Ngayon, ano bang difference ng Pares mo from the other people who's selling Pares? Do you have that overload? Do you have something special, a twist, something that makes you stand out? Ayon sa Philippine Statistics Authority or PSA, umabot ng mahigit 957,600 ang mga micro, small, and medium enterprises sa ating bansa noong 2020. Sa bilang na ito, ang pinakamarami ay ang mga micro enterprises o maliliit na negosyo na umaabot ng 127 ang bilang. Maliliit man, nakikita natin na sila ang backbone ng kalakalan ng bansa. At pagdating naman sa value added sa ekonomiya, 35.7% naman ang ambag nila. Kung wala sila, matamlay o di kaya bagsak ang ekonomiya. Therefore, we need to provide them support. How the dedication of entrepreneur mothers conducive, giving them equal opportunity and financial assistance or access to markets, and dedication to providing education on innovation and technology. These micro businesses need us today. These are just a few of their basic needs to make their progress sustainable. Meeting their needs is also meeting the needs of the majority. The importance of these small businesses is to ensure that our economy is inclusive and that we have fair and equal contributions in the society. Hashtag Pusong Entrep and Puhunan Power are very aware of this call. Today, we will present 10 micro businesses and entrepreneurs, their hopes, their stories, aspirations, and perseverance to change their lives. My name is Julia, your host here for Puhunan Power. Samahan niyo kami hanggang sa dulo as we will proudly present our first batch of Hashtag Pusong Entrep. Itong 10 ay tunay na kangahanga ng mga entrepreneur. Our Hashtag Pusong Entrep is our way of establishing a tremendous relationship with inspiring Filipino entrepreneurs
creating significantly impactful and personalized concepts that will inspire, ignite their undoubted entrepreneurial spirit. Through these burning concepts, together we will be able to uplift their grit to succeed and perseverance in an ever-changing and challenging economic condition. Your support through our social media platforms and campaigns will enable them to again rise and continue to create and write significant stories of truly Filipino with hashtag Pusong Entrep. So we also have an additional announcement for our participants here today. So we have 10 participants, which are Ryan Bolotano, Ocon Bonjoga, Evelyn Tabuhara, Adelaida Bocolod, Delna Heraldo, Emelisa Lopez, Jabbar Sarif, Roberto Montero, Imelda Ekle, and Maria Teresa Llanes. So, apart from the votes that you've already had and the shares that you've had, this one will be an added vote to the succeeding ones that you have. So this one, you have to call all your friends and families again to vote here, because what we will do is after every contestant's videos, we will show a poll. So from there, make sure that they vote for you. All right, so it will only last for 1 minute. So make sure that you are totally fast and have them vote immediately. All right, so next, our first one would be our first 3 contestants.
Hello, good morning. Ako nga pala ulit si Kuya Ryan Bolotano. Nag-entry sa hashtag Pusong Entrep. Ako po ay nagbabalak magtayo po ng parisan. So kung ako po ang palarin sa promong ito, yan po ay aking itatayo sa aking binabalak o pinaplanong parisan.
Ako po si Ocon Bonjoga, taga sa Sambonga del Sur. Ako nagtitindang mani. Gusto ko madagdagan pa yung paninda ko, mga mga palamig. Gusto ko paayusin pa yung mga karitong ko para gumanda. Yun.
May pwesto din ako, meron akong kainan. Nung sabi nung Paris dito, gagawin nga daw po itong waiting shed. Ngayon, ginanito na po. Tapos lapalipat naman po ako dun sa kalapit ng barangay hall namin. Nag-obstruction naman. Nagtsatsaga po kaming mangutang sa 5-6 para lang po kami makapagpuhunan. Kasi syempre, hindi po kami makakapagpuhunan kung wala po kaming... hindi kami makakapagtinda kung wala kaming puhunan. Aminado po ako, may utang akong 5-6. Hindi ko po yun ikinahihiya dahil diyan ko ipinalaki ang mga anak ko.
All right, so everybody, we have now seen our contestant 1, contestant 2, and contestant 3. So we will be showing our poll right now, and then after that, all you need to do is make sure you go ahead and vote for your favorite contestant, okay? So that's only 1 minute. One more thing that we do want to add as well is that don't be discouraged if, for example, out of the 10, the 9 did not win. It is fine, all right? There's always going to be another week that you could go ahead and join. But take note that here in hashtag Pusong Entrep, what will happen is that you will have 3 times to go and do an application. 3 consecutive tries. If, for example, from that 3 consecutive tries, you still did not win, don't worry. Just keep sharing, keep liking, all right? Keep sharing, keep liking all the posts that we given you. So on the very end of our 6 months project, hashtag Pusong Entrep, we will now carry over all of your entries of likes and shares, and we will tally it there. All right. So if you don't get the chance from the first and second or third try, we will then carry you over to our final week. All right. Okay. So what else can we do? I've actually met every single one of the contestant 1 and 3. So their stories are very inspirational, just like how Ryan Bolotano wants to create his Paris store. right? He's trying to buy and saving, he's trying to buy all the equipment that he needs. And then for Ocon Bonjoga, he's also a vendor, a street vendor for Mane, right? Mane. So it's very inspirational. And even Miss Evelyn Tabuhara, all of them are inspirational people that are working so that they can give their families a better tomorrow. So shout out din ako sa mga Filipino communities in KSA, in New Zealand, and in Canada. And shout out din for our first commenter, which is Teresam Gonzalez. Hello. Alright, so bago natin ipagpatuloy itong sunod natin na story or contestants, we are going to have our first trivia. Are you guys ready? Hey, so what is our first trivia? Our first trivia is, ano ang coffee beans na dinala dito sa Pilipinas noong taon 1740? Alright. So make sure you comment your questions. Comment your answers below already. Right. All right. So do we have our first winner? Who is our first winner today? Our first winner is Tei Videnya. All right, Tei Videnya. All right, congratulations. All right, so I see that Tei is actually always coming into our show. Right, so remember, for the others who are just new, make sure you always like, subscribe, and follow our pages in Facebook, Instagram. We'll also be adding it later on, and YouTube, okay? So we do have trivia questions and exciting, we do also have witty questions for later on. Since we already have one winner for our trivia number 1, we're adding another one since you guys always pay attention. So, are you ready? Okay, the next one is, ano ang
Hello,
pwedeng
good
mong
afternoon.
gawin
Ako
sa
po
gabi
si Adelaide.
Ako po si Jabar
na
Sarit,
di mo naman pwedeng gawin sa umaga?
Hello, good afternoon. Ako po si Adelaide.
So, comment your answers below. All right. So, okay. So, do we have our winner for that yet? We have our winner? Not yet. Okay, wait. Okay, production says there is. And I see. All right, so congratulations to Paul John Dela Cruz. All right, congratulations. So for Miss Tei and to Paul John, we will be sending you, just wait for our message after the show so that we can give you your prizes. All right? Okay, great. So the next video that we'll be showing is contestant 4, 5, and 6.
Hello, good afternoon. Ako po si Adelaide Bacolod. Dito po ako nakatira sa Ternate. Ito po, kung sakali pong ipagpahintulot sa akin ni Lord na ako ang mananalo sa 50,000 pesos, gagawin ko po yung negosyong konti na yung idagdag ko po sa sari-sari store namin para pangkabuhayan namin magpamilya. Kasi po yun po talaga ang aking pangarap na magkaroon ako ng dagdag na puhunan para po sa aming pangkabuhayan.
Ako po si Del Nanaga Heraldo, nakatira po sa Blackpool.
Hello, good afternoon. Ako po si Adelaide Bacolod. Dito po ako nakatira sa Ternate. Ito po, kung sakali pong ipagpahintulot sa akin ni Lord na ako ang mananalo sa 50,000 pesos, gagawin ko po yung negosyong konti na yung idagdag ko po sa sari-sari store namin para pangkabuhayan namin magpamilya. Kasi po yun po talaga ang aking pangarap na magkaroon ako ng dagdag na puhunan para po sa aming pangkabuhayan.
Ako po si Del Nanaga Heraldo, nakatira po sa Blackpool, Lot 1, Manhattan Street. Gusto ko po madagdagan po ang aking puhunan at makaano po ako ng aking parisan, mapagpatuloy po dahil kulang po ako ng pang-pinansyal po. Tapos itong aking ukay-ukay, hindi to sa akin, sa anak ko ito. Bali, ako lang nagbabantay po sa kanyang paninda po. Dahil siya ay nasa office pa. Kung sino mananalo, sana kung ako mananalo, dito ko na po ilalagay yung pinanalunan ko po.
Siguro sakali mananalo po ako, sa pagpaaral ng mga anak ko, tapos sa negosyo, dagdag negosyo dito. Hindi naman po sa akin to, sa kapatid ko, pero siyempre, nangangarap po ako sa bandang huli. Sana matuloy-tuloy po at makaipon po ako. Makapagtapos lang sila, okay na po ako. Siguro po ganito pa rin negosyo ko, mag-shake ako, dagdagan ko pa po kung anong pwedeng magbigasan, kung ano pang pwede. Tapos po, yung siguro sa bahay, din ako sa bahay, online para doble ang kayo ko.
Alright, so our contestant 4, 5, 6 is, contestant 1, as you know, is Miss Adelaida Bacolod. So she owns a Sari store in Maragondon. And the next contestant we had was Delna Heraldo, and she has an ukay store as well in San Marino, Dasmariñas. And for Miss Amelisa Lopez, she also is in San Marino, Dasmariñas, and is selling fruits and some vegetables as well. Now, shout out again kay Mr. Adolfo Baroma Jr., Bunso Mariano, and Miss Bea Cruz.
Hello, good afternoon. Ako
Bangon Pusong Entra. Gawin ang unang hakbang tungo sa kalayaan. Kalayaang pinansyal at kalayaan mula sa kahirapan. Salubungin ang panibagong bukas, harapin ang mga bagong hamon ng buhay. Makabagong ideya,
Alright, so mga ka-power puhunan, remember you are free to join our discussions and kwentuhan. Just drop a line on our comment section, hit that love and like button na rin para naman patuloy kaming mai-inspire sa pagbigay sa inyong ng mga significant topics and stories. You can also subscribe in our YouTube channel. Huwag kakalimutan na malaking tulong at suporta sa mga kapatid nating entrepreneur ang patuloy niyong pagsama-sama pa rin para ma-uplift ang kanilang buhay. Alright. Next trivia na tayo. Ready na ba kayo? Okay. Our next trivia. Ano ang mga delicacy na kadalasang binibenta tuwing Kapaskuhan? All right, everyone. Okay, so the second winner would be Patricia Mendez. All right, congratulations, Patricia. That is great. Okay, congratulations to you. We'll also be sending you a message later on after the show, so don't forget to look us up there. All right, now, ano po ba ang masasabi ninyo? 6 contestants na nakita nyo. Huh? 6 contestants pa lang, nakaka-inspire na sila. So para po sa hashtag Pusong Entrep at Power Puhunan ang mga kwento at pakikipaglaban sa buhay ng ating mga maliliit na entrepreneur to survive life and continue to hope for a better tomorrow ay dapat tuunan ng pansin ng gobyerno at mga private sector na may kakayahang tumulong sa anumang paraan na kaya nila. Alright, sa pamamagitan po namin ng mga campaigns and projects, pipilitin namin magbigay ng kulay ang mga pangarap ng ating mga maliliit na entrepreneurs sa abot naming makakaya. Let us watch to continue the set of our contestants.
Ako po si Jabar Sarip, taga Bayar, Fairview. Ang negosyo ko po ay yung mga fish ball at saka kikiam, chicken ball, hotdog, palamig. Para magkapunan din ako, hindi ako nangungupa ng negosyo. Gawin pong punan.
Ako po si Bong Montero or Roberto Montero. Ang aking pong edad po ngayon is 55. Kasalukuyan po ako naghahanap buhay sa loob ng Neapolitan. Kung ako po ay pala rin sa 50,000, marami pa po akong pwedeng dagdag doon sa aking paninda.
Ako sa Imelda Ikle, taga North Fairview, Barangay North Fairview, Dinar Street, Quezon City. Nagtitinda po ako ng ice crumble. Gusto kong manalo ng 50,000 pesos para makadagdag ng aking puhunan.
Good afternoon po sa lahat. Ako po si Maria Teresa Llanes, age 51 years old po. Sa Pusong Entrep po, nag-join po ako para po ma-improve ko po ang business ko po at the same time is to help my same person with disability para naman po maturuan po ang mga person with disability na makapagturo ng kape at the same time milk tea, fruit soda po.
Alright, so our contestants 7, 8, and 9. Mr. Jabar Sarif is our street vendor in Quezon City. Roberto Montero is a soft drinks vendor as well in Quezon City. And Imelda Ekle is also a vendor for Scrabble, while Maria Teresa Llanes is a barista on wheels. All of them have those inspiring stories that no matter how hard life can be, they're always there. They're struggling. They're working hard, having that dedication to keep coming to work, even if the kind of income that they have is not as much. But that dedication and that perseverance makes them truly great entrepreneur Filipinos. So, for our trivia question number 3. Are you guys ready?
Ito na. Ano ang pangalan na show na naglalayon matulungan ang mga small businesses sa Pilipinas?
Okay. So, do we have our
Winner, do we have one yet?
everybody's typing so fast? Who do we have? Okay, so is here. All right, let us go and find that our winner is Teresam Gonzalez. All right, so Ms. Teresam, we will go ahead and send you a message later on after this. Okay, so what is our next one? Congratulations, everybody, for all our winners. All right, just go ahead, make sure that you go ahead and like and share our page for more contests. And there is another witty question number 2. Are you guys ready? Our question number 2 is, ano ang Tagalog ng strawberry? Do we have an answer for that? Ano ang Tagalog ng strawberry? So for anyone out there who has, what? All right, so it's Joshua Kane Kapule. All right, congratulations, everyone. So the next one now is, for anybody who has questions about our hashtag Pusong Entrep, don't worry, just go ahead and send us a message, or you can just do a comment down below for if you have any questions regarding the show and our project, and we can answer it while we're still here on live, all right? Okay, so next, what are we going to talk about? So we're going to be talking about some tips again before we end the show. We will talk about the tips na dapat isa puso at isa isip. Alright, medyo mabubulol. Alright, ano ba ang matatawag na good goal? Right? What is a good goal? But, ano ba ang SMART goal? Right? So, SMART goal, meaning you have the acronym of SMART. S for specific. Right? How much is your indicated amount? How much is your indicated amount that you're going to use for this specific business? Right? So that is your first one. Be specific. For the letter M from SMART, we have measurable. Okay, everybody is calling here today. Just give us 1 second. All right, for the next one is M, which is measurable. This one has to be quantifiable, something that you can measure itself from the word measurable. Next would be attainable. All right, attainable meaning, is this possible? Can you make it? Because you can't have a goal that you're going to say that, oh, I want to start flying like a bird, which is definitely not attainable yet. Find something that, that this specific goal, like let's say for this 1 month, we can grow this show to have more than 10,000 followers. That is attainable. Something that you know that is not impossible, but you can reach it. The next one would be the letter R, which is relevant. Relevant how? Relevant is, how relevant is it for your family? How relevant is it that you know how to do this? Right? Can you really do this? Is this important for you? The last letter for our SMART goal would be T for time. Time bound. This one means that you have to set a deadline for yourself. Know that, for example, let's say, I want to finish my school papers by tomorrow, by 8 o'clock, before I go to school. Be specific on the deadline so that you will have this time set that this is what I need to do. Right? Next is, isa ang financial goal na dapat natin aralin at isa-isip. Okay? Ang pag-set ng financial goal ay ay pagpapalunuhan ng mabuti at pag-ukulan ng pansin along the way. Narito ang mga techniques na makakapag-set ng financial goal. So, the first step for financial goal would be know what is important for you. Right? What exactly is important for you? What do you want to do? Right? So, ang salapi ay hindi nakakapagbigay ng tunay na kaligayahan. Ang paghahabol sa mga goals na align sa ating personal mission and vision and core values ang siyang magbibigay ng lubos na kasiyahan. Again, somebody can be working, receiving, let's say, 100,000, 200,000 in their job, but your happiness is not there. Right? You won't have this kind of urge of saying that, oh, this is important for me, because you're not happy with it. Know exactly what is your goal, or know exactly what is your passion. That will help you to do your financial goals. Okay, next we have is look forward and not back. Okay, so this one is look forward and back, right? So keep moving forward. Just because of your present circumstances that is quite hard, or this one is not an easy thing to do, don't get disappointed. Huwag kayong mag-give up. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Sabihin sa harap, go. You can do it. Okay? Next is focus on your goal. So focus on your goal, right? Make sure, just like what we said from our previous episodes, is that when you focus on your goal, make sure that that's the one that you're going to set your mind to.
The next one is take one step at a time, right? Take one step at a time, meaning that you can just, you know how in life, everything will just come up to you with all your problems, right? You'll be sitting down, then one day what you'll receive is that, oh, I have my Meralco bills. Oh, I have my water bills. Oh, I have my rent. Everything is there, and you don't know which to start. Just take a deep breath, right? Step back. Do what is first. What is the one that you need to do? So that is what we understand as take one step at a time, just like the song. All right, next is maging pasensyo at matyaga. All right, so that one is in English, I think that is patience, right? Have patience. It's not an easy thing to keep working every day and then what you have is just, let's say, 1 peso, right? 1 peso, 100 peso. Not every day is a bad day. Just remember it. We started, right? Us, as a company here. We have started that everybody was looking at us like saying, oh, are you sure about this company? Is this company even capable? But here we are today with you guys, with all our viewers, our watchers. We're here because of you. Having the patience that we know that we can do something to help you out and help the founders' mission and vision of wanting to help Filipinos. Take it slowly. It's okay if you're a little bit left behind by the others. You can do it. Right? Have that patience. One day it will be our time. Okay. Tandaan din natin na dapat alam natin ang gamitin ang mga power of intention. Okay. All right. So here we're going to go ahead and insert the how to join video so that for anybody who wants to go ahead and join our hashtag Pusong Entrep.
How to join? Here's how. Step 1. Visit the official website www.mrmpopc.org of Mary Rose Media Production OPC to review the complete mechanics. Step 2. Make a 1 to 2 minute video, then message us directly on Facebook at MRMPOPC for details on how to upload your video. Step 3. Once submitted, wait for the link that we'll send so you can share it to your friends and families.
All right. So for everyone today, thank you again for joining our podcast today. Now, again, I will just repeat how hashtag Pusong Entrep is. So again, our show project, hashtag Pusong Entrep, is a 6 months program that will help our entrepreneurs who wants to be entrepreneurs or entrepreneurs that are already having their businesses. All you need to do is, just like what the video said, you just need to go ahead and send us your 1-minute video, or you can go to our website, which is www.mrmpopc.org, and you can see our mechanics and how to join. Remember, this is 6 months. Our next contest would be on May 22 to June 6. So for those already who sent us their videos, we will go ahead and start uploading them by May 22. So keep an eye on that. We will also be sending you the link so that you can go ahead and share. Right? So do we have already the results of our polls yet? Do we have? So that's. Let us go ahead and check the results of our poll. So if anybody has any questions for our May 22 to June 6 contest, you can just go ahead and send us a message, or you can ask us a comment, or just comment the questions down below. Okay? Tapos, bukas na ng 10 a.m. ang revealing of our winner. So stay tuned as well for our 10 a.m. All right, so How many votes do we have? All right, so we're going to start closing the votes now. Okay. Let's go ahead and start from the beginning. Okay, so for Ryan Bolotano, he has 4 votes. For Ocon Bonjoga, he has 1 vote. For Evelyn Tabuhara, she has 21 votes. Okay? And then for Adelaida Bacolod, she has 4 votes. For Delma Geraldo, she has 1 vote. And for Amelisa Lopez, she has 4 votes. For our last 4, we have Jabbar Sarif, which has 2 votes. Roberto Montero has 0 votes. Imelda Ekle has 1 vote. And for Maria Teresa Leanes, she has 12 votes. So, everybody, please go ahead and put it on your calendars that tomorrow by 10 a.m., you will be seeing the live of our winner. For our first winner in hashtag Pusong Entrep, please do go ahead and like our Facebook page. Also like our YouTube page, which is Mary Rose Media Production, OPC. We also have our YouTube page for Puhunan Power. All right? So do go ahead and like, subscribe, because every like and shares that you have, you will help another entrepreneur here. All right? So do we have any other questions that we need to answer? So that before we go on. All right. So once again, everyone, my name is Julia na nagsasabing kapag may power puhunan at hashtag Pusong Entrep, panalo ka.